you're welcome to this short webinar video where I'll be revealing to you the exact side hustle you can do to make your first $100 online using your smartphone. So who is this video for? This video is for undergraduates with desire to start making money from the internet. This video is also for 9 to 5 worker who wants to start earning an extra income online. This video is also for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start earning money in dollars, and generally for anyone who wants to start making money online using their smartphone and data connection. But before we get started, I would like to quickly introduce myself to you. So my name is Clement Udo. I'm an online entrepreneur who resides in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. And so far, I've been able to make my first $3,000 online using just my smartphone and data connection. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact side hustle you can do to make your first $100 using your smartphone and data connection. Now, this side hustle business I'm about to share with you today is the same side hustle business my students use to make their first $100 online using just their smartphone and data connection. You can see here, Maureen was able to make her first $100 online using this side hustle business. You can see she also increased it to $200 after some few weeks. And you can also see here that BM Dorati also made her first $100 on Stakeout using this side hustle business. Toby also made his first $100 on Stakeout using this side hustle business. And if you are willing to discover this side hustle business I'll be sharing with you today and also implement, then you'll be able to make your first $100 online using your smartphone. So the side hustle business we use to make our first $100 online is a business model called affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing and how do we leverage on this business model to make our first $100 using our smartphone? Affiliate marketing is a business model whereby an affiliate earns a fixed commission for marketing people's products to a specific audience in need of it. It's simply selling digital products for people online to earn a fixed commission for every successful sale you make. And for you to make your first $100 from this business, you need to become an affiliate in order to get access to digital products you can sell and earn commission in dollars. So who is an affiliate and how can you earn money in dollars selling digital products for people as an affiliate? An affiliate is someone who sells people's products online to people in need of it and get paid 50% to 80% for each sales they make. An affiliate simply acts as the middleman to connect a buyer with a seller to earn a commission when a purchase is made. And it's just like the same way the real estate agent does. But in this scenario, the affiliate focus on selling people's digital products online to people in need of it and get paid a fixed commission on every successful purchase they make. So let's say you become an affiliate to a product and your commission for selling the product is 60%. And assuming the product is $10 and you're able to sell that product to 5 persons, that means $10 times 5 persons is $50. Now, if your commission is 60%, now your commission for selling to 5 persons will be $30. That is $6 commission on each sale you make. So if you are able to sell to 5 persons, that means $6 into 5 persons, you are earning $30 for selling someone's product to people who are in need of it, which means you earn $30 as an affiliate for selling the product. So that's exactly what we did to make our first $100 online. We simply sold people's digital products as an affiliate and get paid a fixed commission in dollars when someone buys the product from us. I know the question you'll be asking now is, how can you get started in this side hustle business called affiliate marketing? How can you even become an affiliate to people's products? And how can you even get people to buy the product you'll be selling as an affiliate? A lot of people have been asking me questions a lot about getting started in the business, about getting people to buy the product, about becoming an affiliate and all of that. And because of all these questions, I might not be able to answer all these questions in just this video. So I've created a video course that will put you through from scratch on how you can get started in this side hustle business to make your first $100 online. And so the course I've created that will help you learn everything you need to know about this side hustle business, about becoming an affiliate, choosing a product to sell and selling the product to people to get a commission. I've packaged all the necessary information and knowledge you need to succeed in this business into a video course named Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. So the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners course is a comprehensive and beginner-friendly program created to teach newbies the exact step-by-step system of how they can start earning money in dollars online as a complete beginner. The short form for the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners is called AMB. Okay, so the AMB course was created to help you learn, implement and start earning from this side hustle business as a complete beginner. So if you are a newbie who have never sold anything online before and you want to discover how you can make your first $100 by selling people's product as an affiliate, then with access to this course, you will learn everything you need to know to make your first $100 as an affiliate the fast, simple and easy way. Here's what you are going to learn inside this course. You are going to learn how affiliate marketing works and how it's being done in Nigeria. You are also going to learn how to create and set up your affiliate account to receive your commission weekly. You will learn how to find a hot product to sell as an affiliate. You also learn how to get interested people to buy the product you'll be selling as an affiliate. You also learn how to create a WhatsApp sales funnel to convert these interested people to buyers. You will learn how to create offers to get more people to buy the product you are selling. And you also learn inside this course how you can make your first $100 as a complete beginner in less than 90 days. So how can you get access to the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners course? Now, getting access to this AMB course is not free. There's a price tag attached to it. Just like I would charge $100 to $200 for a one-to-one mentorship for anyone who wants to learn this business directly from me. But because this is an online course, I'm not going to charge you such an amount to get access to this course. And because I want everyone to learn how this business works, no matter their current income, I have decided to let you and every other person get access to this course today for a single payment of $12. That is 15,000 naira. All you need to do is to click the link below this video or you click the order now button below to make your one-time payment of $12 or 15,000 naira to get access to this course. But wait, I'm not done yet. Now think about it. How would you feel if you're able to make your first $100 after learning and implementing what you'll be taught in this course? You would feel very happy, right? So this is how my students are currently feeling right now because they took action to learn how this business works. And because I want you to also get access to this program today so you can learn how this business works in order to make your first $100 online like the way my student did, I will be giving you a 60% discount off so you can get access to this course today for just $5. That is 6,000 naira instead of 15,000 naira. Just before you get too excited, this discount won't be available for long, as the 60% discount offer is only available for those who places an order for this course within the next 48 hours from now. So in order for you not to miss out on this discount, your best bet is to place your order for this course right now. But wait, there's still more. I promised you earlier that I have some bonuses for you. So if you are among the very first 10 persons who will be placing an order right now to get access to the AMB program for $5 or 6,000 naira, you will also be getting access to my special bonuses worth over $200 for free. So here are the bonuses you'll be getting for free today if you order right now. 1. You will get access to the beginner's checklist, which contains a summary of all you need to do to run this business effortlessly as a beginner, which costs $20 only, but you'll be getting it for free. You also get access to my done for you sales template that have generated over $500 in affiliate commission for me. This costs around $120 if you are to get it from me, but I'll be giving you this access to this bonus for free. You also get access to your own affiliate account / dashboard for free. And as a bonus, you also get access to join my weekly live coaching section in the AMB community. Now this coaching session costs, I do charge $50 per coaching section, but because you'll be ordering right now, you'll be getting access to this coaching session for free. And you also get access to my special report on how you can get strangers to buy what you sell. You also get access to a guide on how to make your first 3 sales as an affiliate. You also get access to major premium apps that will help you in automating your sales process effortlessly. And you also get access to a special video on how you can buy data subscription at cheap prices to save costs running your affiliate marketing business in Nigeria. You also get access to the AMB community to connect with my other students who are pulling huge amount of money weekly from this business. So if you're among the 10 persons to place an order for this course within the next 15 minutes from now, you will get access to all these bonuses worth over $200 for free. Note, these bonuses are available for the first 10 persons that orders right now, after which it will be taken down and it will no longer be available for free. So if you're interested in getting these bonuses for free, then the only option you have is to place your order right now. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and I hope to see you on the inside. Thanks.